Hey guys, so it's official. CARV airdrop is coming really soon. As you can see here, they will basically share 40 million in CARV in season 1 airdrop. And if you want to see more, here you can see the airdrop, the TGE, the token generation event will be happening on October 10th. Today we have October 7th, so this means in 3 days we will get the CARV airdrop. And if you have been following me, you know I was one of the first. I think I made the first video on YouTube about this CARV airdrop. So if you don't want to miss any upcoming alpha, press that subscribe. And the best part is that you will be able to trade it, buy it, sell it on Bybit. So if you have not signed up to Bybit, you can sign up with my referral link because I will give you a bonus for trading. So if you use my referral link, you will get a big bonus. Another thing, as you can see here, for example, I have 202,000 SOL, which will be converted to CARV. Nobody knows how much, or there is not yet the Tokenomics page released, so there is even no speculation on how much would this cost. But the best thing is that airdrop is coming. October is the best month for crypto historically, so this means the price could go up even if you have staked your tokens, because as you can see here, I have staked around 211,000 SOL tokens, but I will be able to unlock it in October 24th. And I think every basically token will go up in the value in the next 3 to 6 months, as it usually does, because we have reached the 4-year cycle. The 2025 should be a crypto bull run, crypto euphoria. That's why I will not be selling my tokens that fast, because there are so many opportunities. Everything will pump 5x, 10x, 50x, even 100x from this point, because everything is still quite low, quite down. But that's overall what I want to share. Airdrop, there are more airdrops coming soon for Linea, for many more projects, for volatile, that I have been talking about volatile really often. And I will update you on upcoming airdrops so you don't miss out on getting free money. And if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto NFT airdrop alpha, press the like, press the subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.